What if I told you Samsung just leaked its own entire Galaxy S26 lineup? By accident. Not a teaser, not a rumor. Every color, every storage option, every model, all out in the open. And buried inside that leak is one change that genuinely affects whether this phone is worth upgrading to or not. Let's talk about it. So, here's what happened. A retailer in Finland quietly listed Samsung's full Galaxy S26 range before they were supposed to. And the first thing that jumped out at me? Samsung finally did the thing people have been yelling about for years. There is no 128GB model anymore, anywhere. The Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra all now start at 256GB across the board. Last year with the S25 series, Samsung teased us with the idea of killing off 128GB, then didn't. In 2026, it's officially gone. And honestly, this is massive. For the same starting price, you're getting double the storage. That means fewer compromises, fewer pop-ups telling you your storage is full, and way less reliance on cloud subscriptions just to keep your phone usable. For base model buyers, this alone might be the most meaningful upgrade Samsung has made in years. Now let's talk about design choices, specifically colors. According to this leak, all three models are getting the same four finishes in Europe: black, white, sky blue, and cobalt violet. Clean, familiar, very Samsung. Nothing wild, but nothing offensive either. But here's where things get interesting. Earlier leaks from Evan Blass suggested that the Ultra might also come in a silver shade and even an orange version. Those colors are missing here, so either Samsung decided not to bring them to Europe, or they're pulling their usual move and keeping them as online exclusive colors through Samsung's own store, which, if history is anything to go by, feels very likely. Storage options are where the lineup really starts to separate. The regular Galaxy S26 keeps it simple. You get 256GB or 512GB, and that's your lot. There's also an Enterprise Edition in black with 256GB, clearly aimed at business users. The Galaxy S26 Plus follows the exact same pattern. Same storage options, same colors, but no Enterprise Edition this time, which is a bit odd and honestly raises more questions than it answers. Then there's the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And yeah, this is where Samsung goes all in. 3 storage tiers, 256GB, 512GB, and for the first time ever on a Galaxy Ultra, 1TB. All 4 colors, no restrictions. There is also an Enterprise Edition here too, but strangely it's limited to just 256GB. Now, one big thing is missing from this leak, and it's kind of a big deal. RAM. There's no mention of RAM configurations at all, so we don't yet know if the Ultra will get a 16GB RAM variant in Europe, or if Samsung is sticking everyone with 12GB again. For power users, that's a pretty important detail and one we'll definitely be watching closely. For the hardcore spec fans, yes, the leak also confirmed every model number. The base S26, the Plus, the Ultra, all accounted for. I'm not going to read out dozens of codes because nobody wants that, but I'll leave the full list linked below if you really want to dig into it. So when does all of this actually become official? Samsung hasn't confirmed a date, but multiple reports are lining up around February 25th, 2026 for the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco. That's not far away at all, which means this is probably just the beginning. Expect a lot more leaks very soon. So here's my takeaway. Making 256GB the standard was long overdue, but it's still a huge win. The colors are safe, maybe a little too safe, and I really hope those rumored Ultra exclusive shades actually exist. And that 1TB Ultra? That's for the people shooting endless 8K video, hoarding footage, and refusing to delete anything. You know exactly who you are. Now I want to know what you think. Is 256GB as the base finally enough to push you to upgrade, or are you holding off for the next one? Let me know down below, and if you want more Galaxy S26 leaks as they happen, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.